Hello and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. This is the Game Foundry. In today's video I will show you how to create a basic elevator in Unreal Engine 5. Before we start the video, I'd like to ask you to give her a like and subscribe to the channel. Done that, let's get started. Let's create a new blueprint class for the elevator, then let's put elevator BP and open our blueprint. In the viewport window, we will create a platform that will represent our elevator. Let's create now a box collision to be the elevator triggered. Now let's select the box collision and add the node on component begin overlap. Since we will use it later as well, add it to the node on component and overlap too. Let's add the node cast to third person character to the trigger so it detects the player. Now let's add a timeline which works like a fake animation, allowing us to use a curve to change an object location or rotation. Put the name elevator anim and let's open the timeline. Create a float track and set the duration to 2 seconds. Add a keyframe at the start and another at the end. Select the end keyframe and set its value to 1. So, to add a smooth movement, select all keyframes and apply the auto curve effect. And now let's get the platform component and let's add a node set relative location to make the elevator go up or down. Split the transform and add a multiply node. Connect it to the float track in the timeline, then link it to the 0 location. Set the multiply value to 400 to make the elevator go up. To finish this part, connect the cast to third person character node from on component and overlap to reverse input of the timeline. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Please give her a like and subscribe to the channel. We publish new videos every week and I hope that I was able to help you with this, okay? Bye bye, see you in the next video.